Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'm here to showcase to you my third altcoin of the day, and that altcoin that I've chosen to showcase to you is Tron. We're going to do a little bit of a Tron. We're going to be starting off here on the daily chart and then we're going to be moving to the 4-hourly, the midterm, just to see what's going on there because we're in the minks of a pretty big breakout scenario coming through there. And basically, we're going to do some price targets there for Tron for the future. Don't want to keep you guys too long as this is a very short video. So yeah, we're going to be going through, starting off on the daily. As you can see here, guys, descending triangle from this this downward sloping resistance line coming through here. Pretty strong. You can see the support on the lower side of this as well. So in terms of a level of support that we could be looking at for the future, if we are going to have the continuation to the downside here, we're going to be looking at around an 8.33, 8.35 in terms of respecting this horizontal point here as well. We've got the 200 EMA coming up to say hello as well. And that's obviously going to be a massive level of support to be looking out for the future. And if that is going to happen there, guys, there's going to be a lovely bounce point coming through there. We do have a pretty strong trend line coming down here from all-time highs, I do believe there. For Tron at around that 16 cents there. So yeah, pretty strong trend line, which we have unfortunately, yes, just broken to the downside within the last few hours or so there. So yeah, pretty rough stuff indeed. So let me jump to the 4-hourly just to see if we can get a gauge for that right now. So yeah, as you can see there, guys, we have actually dumped down pretty drastically, right? We have actually lost that trend line. I'm not sure where that's gone, but yeah, we've dumped down in this breakdown scenario. But let me jump back to the daily quickly because I want to do some price targets for you guys for the future in terms of breakouts, in terms of a continuation pattern for this descending triangle coming through here. So yeah, if we are going to be looking for any sort of breakdown for the future of Tron here, we could be looking at something along the lines of this, going on the most recent downtrend there, guys. Obviously, pretty unlikely scenario for this to happen because this is why we don't do greedy measure moves, guys. This is why we don't do greedy measure moves. But this is basically like a trend direction sort of indication there. What I would be doing is going on the most recent downtrend to this point here, and then we can get a bit of a better gauge coming through there in terms of a nice price target on that horizontal around that 6 cents coming through there. So yeah, let's get rid of that one for now. In terms of a measure move, in terms of a short position, obviously on the basis that Tron dumps off a cliff, and obviously Bitcoin has to instigate that coming through there. We're going to be looking at around a 25.5% loss to the price of Tron there. But if we can short Tron all the way down, hello, we're making that money. It's going to be good stuff indeed. I would be waiting to enter that position I would be waiting to enter that short position. I wouldn't enter that short position until we've cleared obviously this low point at around this 7 cents there. So that's obviously the confirmation that we're going to be setting lower lows and basically cascading down even further. It's going to be around a 20% gain there for Tron. So yeah, definitely something to be looking at for the future there. Interesting stuff there. If we're going to be breaking to the upside there, guys, if we're going to have the continuation of this trend here, then we could be looking at a measure move like so, right? And that's going to be around something along the lines of this, right? Let me jump that to there. Obviously, speculatively speaking here, depending on where we're going to break, let's do some percentages there. It's going to be around 21.45%. And obviously, guys, staggering take profits all the way up, not entering until we break a very congruent lower high there, probably jumping down to a smaller term time frame before, just to get that, just to get a bit of a better indication of the trend there. Yeah, so I would be looking at probably a nice lower high around this sort of area here, probably not getting in until we break that around that 10 cents, obviously, once we've broken this trend line to the upside there. And now, in terms of the midterm, what's happening here, guys, you can see this parallel channel to the upside here. You can see the respect that we have actually formed in terms of the support here. Very strong stuff, but not here. We actually lost the 200 EMA on the 4-hourly. We've actually seen dumpage to the downside here. In terms of a price prediction for this dump, in terms of a continuation of this trend here, I would actually be looking at some sort of measure move scenario coming through here. And this is going to be around something along the lines of this, guys. As I said, we lost the 200 EMA as well, so it's looking pretty progressive to the downside. I would be looking at take profit points staggered all the way down. If you guys did actually jump into this position, you could be looking at something along the lines of this in terms of take profits. I would be doing one probably around 9 cents, 9.8 there, 0.98, and then the next one is going to be obviously at that low wick there around 8.986. And the reason why we do this, guys, we stagger our take profits all the way down because the moment we hit one take profit, we move our stop loss, which would probably be above this 200 EMA and back inside this channel. We basically move that point to entry, right? We move that point to entry. The reason why we do that is if we see any sort of reversal coming through before the completion of this measure move in terms of a price, right? We're going to get stopped out. Yes, we are, but it's a positive stop out because we've already taken profit once. Now, if we see us run down, we're going to be hitting take profits regardless. It just basically what it does, it minimizes your losses continuously, right? Very, very good trading strategy there to take into account there. But yeah, that's pretty much what I would be looking for there for Tron right now. In terms of price targets around that 9 9 cents and 9 cents after that. If we do actually lose these zones and we actually see a completion of the measure move around this 8 cents and 8 there, I would expect us to actually probably come down lower and see this horizontal actually get tested on the lower side around this 8 cents and 3 after that there. So yeah, not looking too hot, but if you do see a nice bounce point, a nice reversal, as I was saying there on the daily chart there, guys, we've got potential for a humongous move in terms of a long position there to be thinking about for the future. But yeah, that's going to be it from me. That's going to be it from Tron. And guys, I do have a premium scalp package if you want to go check that out. The link is in the description on the website. You get 5 trades per day, 25 trades per week, Monday to Friday, and also 100 trades a month if your maths is good. 100 trades a month, absolutely crazy, for £19.99, £19.99p, right? So yeah, you can go check that out. The link is in the description on the video. You can go try it out for a month or whatever. Just see how you get on with that. So yeah, I have people, members joining it like every day, and they're like, oh, I made my money back within a trade. So yeah, it's a win-win-win. So yeah, it's very, very cheap compared to a lot of the other scalping packages out there, guys. But yeah, that's going to be it from me. So yeah, see you all tomorrow I'll see you all tomorrow for tomorrow's good morning stream, because obviously I stream every single day, Monday to Friday as well there, guys. So yeah, peace out for now, and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.